The next example, we're going to use different colors to display the lines, rectangles. What rectangles will be fill rectangles and also fill oval. So we're going to use the fill rectangle. The rectangle will be filled with the color, and also the oval will be filled with the color. So let's go to the code first. This is drawing 2. Okay, I'm going to compile, and then again we need to run through the HTML file. So go back, command prompt, Java C drawing 2.java, enter. Okay, now I want to see whether this class file is created or not. Okay, look at here. Yes, drawing 2 class file is created. So what we need to do now, we go back to our view.html file and need to change the class file name. Okay, so we need to put here drawing 2, then must save, then again go back to command prompt, put the command applet viewer view.html. All right, so now enter. So we got the option here, either you press 1, 2 or 3. Okay, now I'm going to press 1 first. Okay, let's see. All right, so look at here. These are the colorful 18 lines are created here. Okay, now look at here. This is as it is, no changes here. So we're going to show you the color option. Okay, so look at the, okay, now one will go through first import the Java AWT, import Java Xwing, because of we're going to use the J option pen. The public class drawing 2. Look at here, drawing 2 is the name of the class file. This is extends from JApplet. So this parent class is JApplet and the child class is drawing 2. So you must have to save this file exactly the same name, drawing.2.java. Then you use the choice, integer type choice, public void init function, then string, input is string type, then input we put 3 options here, right? Enter 1 to draw lines, /n, go to the next line. Enter 2 to draw a square, /n, go to the next line. And enter 3 to draw circles, /n, go to the next line. Then you input the value, either 1, 2 or 3. Then it will convert this value from a string to integer. Okay, now we use the public void paint functions and we create the object of graphics class, because through the object we will call the function to draw the lines, rectangles, and also the oval, right? Okay, now x coordinate value, so use the x array, so there are 18 values is there, and also in the y array there are 18 values is there. Okay, now look at the color options. Okay, so color is, we use the color class, and from this color class we create the object array, C array of objects called the C. And how many colors is here? If you look at here, how many colors is here? Okay, the first element of the color option is color red. That means this is the location 0 of the array. Second element in the location, second location is location 1 in the array, yellow color, then green color, then next is cyan color, and next is magenta color, and the last is the blue color. How many colors we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have 6 elements in the array. Okay, so 6 elements, the color elements in the array. Okay, now comes to the choice. Of course, if you put the choice greater than 3 and less than 1, it will give you the error message. Otherwise, it will give you the any of the options like 1, 2, or 3. So since we press 1, now it goes to the else condition. The first condition will be false, and then it will follow the for loop, I equal to 0, I less than 18, I plus plus. Okay, now it will take, for example, the first one is 0 elements, is the 300, 200, okay, from here, and then draw the lines 200, 200 starting point, and the ending point take from X and Y arrays. Okay, now look at this set color. This is very important to understand how we can set the color. Okay, G dot set color. The name of the function is set color. Okay, then the C. What is C? C is the array, right? We create the array C arrays, and then we put the value inside I modulus 6. So what is the modulus doing? Modulus will give you the reminder value. Okay, so if you put the value I equal to 0, then what happened? So I modulus 6. So what will be the reminder value? It will be 0 modulus 6. It will give you the value 0. Okay. Next, if you put the value 1 modulus 6, it will give you the value 1. 2 modulus 6, it will give you the value 2. 3 modulus 6, it will give you the value 3. Then if you put 6 modulus 6, it will give you the value 0. If you put the value 7 modulus 6, it will give you the remainder value 1. If you put 8 modulus 6, the remainder value will be 2. Because we have only 6 color, but we have 18 lines. So once 6 color will finish, so it will start from the next. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, until it goes to 17, 0 to 17. Okay, so now since we use the first one, the color will be red. So this is the red color one it will create. Okay, now look again. So now I will be, so to draw the line, I will be draw the line, this is the red color line. Then again it goes back to the loop, I will be 1 less than 18, I plus plus, and then it goes to the set color will be C, then I means 1 modulus 6. So what will be remainder value? 1. So it will take the first element is 0, it will take the second element, this is the 1, yellow color. So if you look at the output here, this is the yellow color, the second line. Okay, next go to the third line. Again it comes here, I will be 2, then 2 less than 18, I plus plus, I will increase, set color, then 2 modulus 6, I told you it will be giving the remainder value 2. So now if you go to the loop color array, then you can see what color we have, green color, right? We have the green color here. So it will take the third color is green color. Next loop, next color will be cyan color. The next color will be magenta color, and next color will be blue color. Okay, so that means this is the sixth color. Once it go to again 0 to 5 is the 6, right? 6 modulus 6, next line, it will again start from the red. Again it's continue another 6, then once finish until blue, then again it will continue from the first element of the red color. First element of the color is red. Again yellow, then green, then cyan, then magenta, then blue, then finish 18 lines. Okay, now go to the second option. Okay, field rectangle. So we run again. Similarly, we just use the command applet viewer view.html. Then we have option 2 here. Okay, option 2. Okay, option 2, if you look at option 2, similar way, it will go to the case 2. Okay, then it will use this command g.fillRect. FillRect means rectangle will be filled by color. Which color it will take? So the first element, okay, we got the value. What is the first element value? Fill rectangle, take the value from here, x0, and y0. x0, y0, you know already the value is 300 and 200. Okay, so 300 and 200 is the which location it will create the rectangle, and what will be the size of the rectangle? 100, 100. So if you look at here, this is the last element, actually 18 elements, 18, I mean the rectangle. So now this is the first, you can see the red color one behind. So it will create this rectangle, fill with the color, which color? Red color, the first element of the color array. Okay, now it will look again one, it will be yellow color, so this is yellow color. Next one will be green color, next one will be cyan, then next color magenta, then again next color will be blue, the last one, then again start with red, yellow, green, then cyan, magenta, then blue, then next again start with the red color, the first element, red, yellow, green, cyan, magenta, and the blue. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. So now the last option, fill over. Again, I go back to command prompt, then again 3, put the option 3 and enter. You see, look at here. Okay, similarly, you look at here, we press 3, right? So now it goes to the case 3. Okay, then fill oval. Fill oval similar with fill rectangle. Here is fill. Take the color from here. Take the color from this command. First color is red color because this is I equal to 0. So this is the red color. Then follow the next color, yellow, next green, next cyan, next magenta, and the last one is blue. Again, start from the red, continue to blue, start from the red, continue until blue. Then it will create the 18 ovals. We call the fill ovals, fill with the color. Okay, I hope you understand this one, how you can create the colorful lines, how you can create the fill rectangle, and also how you create the fill oval. Okay.